Okay, so on my left, I have a no-name dongle for basically running an external monitor and some other hardware via these ports that are on the side. And then on the right, I have an official Apple dongle. You can buy these at the App Store. You can get them on Amazon. And you may be wondering, well, is there any difference in quality between them? And I can confirm that yes, there is a difference in quality between them. The Apple ones, they're not perfect. For instance, this one only has a single USB-A port. This one has two. This one is definitely cheaper. This one's more expensive. I think it was about $75. But where you start to notice big differences in quality is the way that for instance, the cable is shrouded at either end here, which really makes a difference in terms of the longevity of the cord, because you can see on this dongle, it doesn't have a sheath at the end of it, and you can see the cable just wore through where it kinked. So I over time, I've learned that these types of dongles, the Apple dongles, are generally better. Sometimes you may not have a choice because you need to have more than one USB-A port or something else that's attached to it. And sometimes you can get these dongles with all kinds of different things associated with it. But do pay attention to things like the way that the cable is sheathed. And maybe these take a little bit more TLC in order to last longer to get better value out of it. But in this case, this one failed after about 18 months of use, whereas this one, I've had this for even longer and it's been going strong.